Senior man, I so as of yesterday, maybe 16th of January, I just say make I come give una the Okelebe wey just sup around Ibadan for here. The matter cast gone for make una wait. Road clear, no police, but kasala burst. You no quick see one police for the arena. So as of yesterday around Agbogbo UI Orogun side for inside Ibadan. Na so they talk say some bomb blast sup for that side. Some people talk say na bomb blast, some people talk say na gas explosion. But for that kind environment, that kind place, if na bomb blast, omo, the kind sound wey sup for that side that yesterday, I swear, e go far, e go far. Àwọn eléyìí wọn the explosion no gbọ́ paa at all, but as e don be, I trust the government of the Oyo state, and I'm very sure they will release the official news about the whole issue any moment from now. But at least we have somebody in Ibadan here around those areas, those axes. Please pray for them. Please pray for them, because actually we heard of like a woman that she said that.
What happened here?
No, I'm not there, but my mom stays in Adi.
Okay.
With my sister and my son.
Okay.
So they are badly injured. The house is demolished on them.
Demolished on them.
Yes,
Fuck.
they're stitching their legs, their hands.
They are still in the hospital now. Which hospital are they now?
Hospital.
Redeemer Hospital. Beside the small, right?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. Alright, God will see them.
It simply shows that the place is upside down because of the explosion, and I don't know yet, maybe there is like injury or something like that, or loss of life around here, but Alhamdulillah for life. We are still alive at the moment, Alhamdulillah, and it's gone.